Good morning. It is 4:33. We're on our way to Miami. Let's go.
It's gonna be a suite. We gotta go. So y'all come on, go towards the back, find a seat, put your bag up, and then let's go. We got about 8 minutes to wait this gate. So come on in, help us to get you Atlanta on time.
Please remain seated for the duration of the flight.
Thank you.
Watch your step.
We made it to Miami.
What's poppin', kid?
Miami no like USA is very good, gran país, strong, it's good. Yeah. Cuba, 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 Cuba.
Puerto Rican.
Venezolano no good. Venezolano me no like.
Now, before you get deep into this video, I believe you need to go ahead and plan you a trip. Let Expedia take the hassle out of booking your flights and hotels and everything in between. For our getaway to Miami, we use Expedia to book everything from our flights to Miami to staying at the gorgeous Lowe's Miami Beach Hotel. Even with the busy holiday crowds, everything was super smooth and stress-free. Whether it's finding the best flight deals or getting exclusive hotel rates, Expedia makes travel easier so you can focus on enjoying the trip. Now, that's not just a slogan, that's the truth. And here's a bonus. Make sure to use the link down below in the more description for 20 to 30% off your next adventure. Book your next trip today on Expedia. Now let's go ahead and get to our destination.
Thank you. What was your first course we've had?
Good.
We don't have palm trees. That's right. You from LA, cuz. Feel me? Yeah.
We walking by a grove.
I mean a grove, honey. Beautiful gowns.
I mean, it's not on us. You got to fix it.
See, this is dumb.
No, it is.
Okay.
Somebody opened it. Did you do that?
No.
Oh, somebody's back there. They wanted to see how it opened. What is this? A Kia? Stop acting like a Kia.
You're a terrible person.
I need
I
a
want to go
nap.
lay on the beach. Take a nap.
Where you at?
Nissan Kick.
Okay, lock it.
I'm learning it. But yeah, it's just so fantastic. The lighting on this camera alone, you should buy it just because of this. We're in the dark.
Oh, it's picking us up like that?
We're in the dark. You know how you always be like, it can't see me? We're in the dark. This is wild.
Yeah, it's nighttime.
I mean, it's night. Interesting.
We're going to see you.
I'm glad we went to the auto show. We said we were just gonna be there a few minutes.
This is an inaugural visit to a car show. This is our first car show.
At the light, babe, we gotta make a left.
Okay, I left.
Yeah, it says a left. It says a left.
But yeah, we got more car shows to do.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Well, this is cute what we stumbled upon.
Nice little court.
I'm very impressed with this camera in low lighting. The battery life is amazing if you have the additional battery. Whoa! We made it back.
It's not a far walk.
We was walking.
It's not far. Well, you said that. It wasn't far from where we stayed today.
I can see us in the
In there? In the mirror? 10.
Let's go. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, thank you. Clothes is perfect because everything is just right here.
These are just okay. They're not better than Teddy Graham.
Oh yeah, Teddy Grahams for the win.
They probably got a bunch of sugar. We are actually low on sugar. And I do taste the honey.
Okay. Not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
Oh wait, that honey. Hold on now. They on to something.
You like it?
Yeah, pretty good.
We are in Miami for the Miami International Car Show. We are prepping our bag for our equipment so that we can be ever ready and ever present.
One.
Check two.
We're checking the mic out. We're using this DJI.
My mic sounds nice. Check one.
We're gonna see. Now, babe, can you take that off? Your microphone. And just hold it like this.
And just hold it like this. Is it something
Bring
that
it
you
down
a little down, a little further? Is it something that you
That
need?
might be
The range.
yeah, because right here, when you're doing it like this,
It's too much.
and right here sometimes
It was too much.
it's a little too much.
And that's why a lot of times you see people carrying their microphone is right there. So if I had a bag, you want the mic though, right? The mic is for you.
Well, either one of us.
Okay.
You're a part of JT's wins. Your talent. You're so cute.
I
You
just have to
be
remember
talented.
to enunciate my words when I'm speaking, realizing that someone else will be listening to this.
That is correct.
And that I'm not talking casually to my friend. Casually to my listeners, but not to my friend. Not like I would talk when I'm speaking with someone that I went to school with or
Yes.
one of my fraternity brothers,
Correct.
one of my old
Comrades.
teammates.
Okay. Good morning. It's Sunday. We're on our way to go get some coffee. And then...
Wrong way.
Wrong way. Thank you. Uh-oh. We're not that.
Thank you.
Looks so much different during the day. Last night, it was popping. All right, let's figure out where we're going. margarita o'clock. When in Miami, right? Nissan was great. I think the last one we have to do is Ford. And then we're done with the show. I gotta find Jeffrey so we can finish up. And he has my phone, so I can't call him. Oh, I can use my watch. Where'd he go? Here at the Miami International Auto Show.
Oh yeah.
We had a blast and we want y'all to see it. So
too much fun.
Please check it out. Being that y'all are here on this PTV 9090, we have a new car enthusiast channel. We're super excited about it. Yes, there's content over there at JT's Whips. The link is down below. This has been a lot of fun. I'm excited. Jeff loves cars, and being that we've been together, I've been enjoying cars too, and being able to do both at the same time with content has been great too. So this has been fun. I think it's so cute when Jeff vlogs. He's so cute.
Don't be fake laugh.
It was.
No, I did it on purpose.
Oh. But for real, we are done with the car show. We did 2 days of this. What we log in today?
By the time we got settled, it was like more like 17.
You're right, it was about 17. Oh, where's the lift? Because baby girl don't walk in the rain. We were out here last night, but of course it was dark, so you couldn't get the full effect. Ooh, I want some cucumber water. Thank you, darling. It's our own little blue lagoon. Living their life. Yeah, it's not great. They're not strapped down. Maybe it wasn't hot enough. Yeah. Especially for it to be a holiday weekend. If you ever get a chance to stay at the Lowe's South Beach, please do. It's in the middle of everything. The aesthetic is gorgeous. It's just a beautiful hotel, and it has everything. It wasn't super hot while we were here, so we didn't take advantage of the pool, but the cabanas and everything around it, we did. And you're steps away from the beach. Like, it's amazing. It was great. one?
That's for you.
Oh, thanks, doll. I have been wanting to try Cuban coffee. We were gonna get to it. She said, y'all not going to bed. I said, wait, what? She said, try this one and then let me know what you want to do. I said, well, thank you, sis. Tastes great. It is definitely strong.
Oh yeah. There's quite a bit going on there. I need something to chase that for.
It is 7:43. I'll let y'all know how I'm doing. An hour from now.
Cuban coffee at 7:43. Somebody watching this is probably gonna say, "Ooh, they made a mistake."
They're stupid. Yeah, it was wild.
Oh yeah. Yeah. He was asking the thing 4K.
Yep. It started raining, as it always does in Miami. So we're getting some more empanadas, and we sat inside, which is cool. Look at the ambiance. The fruit was amazing. We don't really have papaya like that where we are, so that was wild. But the mango was so good. I'm waiting for it to stop raining so that we can go to Raising Cane's, which is right across the street. So we'll see. I wanted another coffee, but Jeff was like, ma'am, no. Ah. Thank you.
It's like and the beef is different too. It's a different kind of meat. It's not ground beef. Yeah. Completely different.
Completely different. So the last one we got was what? Colombia?
Cuban.
Cuban. This is Venezuela. We need to go to Venezuela. It's so good. Yummy.
I keep thinking I'm gonna see an action there. I wonder would I be messing up and she's making you a strawberry smoothie.
Ooh. Taking the scenic route. Wait. We don't walk. Look, we don't walk. Hey, Kelly. It's up there. Rose Spa. Isn't it gorgeous? This is so beautiful.
No,
Even with the droplets of rain.
you don't have to go to an island to do a destination wedding. I just kind of not, this would be a perfect place to do it. This would be a perfect, what? So silly. You could do a destination wedding right here at the Lowe's. Invite your family and friends.
Oh, I thought you wanted to get married again. Get off of me.
I just said we can invite your family and friends to the Lowe's and do it here.
Oh.
You know what?
Oh,
But you know what
so
I'm saying.
romantic.
Think about it.
That would be so romantic and beautiful. Y'all weren't there. But our wedding, we got married at a hotel, which was phenomenal. And it was set up like a chapel, which was hilarious. So, and it was raining like this that day. It was so romantic. So that's why I love the beach and stuff, because that's when we got married. So a lot of times y'all be like, did y'all have a traditional wedding? Yep. Technically, kind of. In the morning, we want to see the sunrise, and we want to go to the jacuzzi, because we heard the jacuzzi was phenomenal. And we want to go see the fitness center and all that good stuff. So
Y'all gonna come watch the sunrise with us in the morning.
ooh,
It's gonna be nice.
ooh.
Nice.
Yeah.
I can't imagine being down in there water cold. Beautiful out here. I know when God made the earth, He did a thing. Look at those clouds right there.
Beautiful. Sun is actually coming up.
You're taking photos of the video.
Yeah. It's just the sun was on you at that moment. You look so chocolatey and handsome. We're like, ooh, this ocean water feels amazing. They were like, what the hell is that in it? It's God's creation. Some of this is man-made due to pollution, but it's okay. Feels amazing. Take the time to take you a vacation. I was just telling the people, take the time to take take you a vacation.
Most definitely.
Do it anyway. What's our duet? Do it. Let's start again because you just came right
you
out.
started. You don't want to sing it. Okay, I'm sorry.
1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2. We're gonna do it anyway. 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 Yeah. Jeff's backpack is amazing. Need to get you a backpack like this. It's phenomenal. If we weren't leaving today, I would totally sit out here all day. I sure would for Labor Day. Oh, I was, and then I looked. I was saying if we weren't leaving in a couple hours and we were here for one more day, I would have just sat out all day long.
Oh, yeah.
Right by the pool. I'd have went from beach to pool.
Well, we worked. That's one thing I can say.
Yeah.
This was a vacation, but we did work.
That is true. Definitely a business trip. For sure. Did you enjoy your stay, Jeffrey?
Yep.
God, me too. We're fully out. Nope, that's it. Thank y'all so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Love you too.
Bye.
She's so awesome. She's like a little angel that just keeps popping up. Like, it's crazy. Jeff's had his new favorite place, Munchies. It's a line this morning. To Baltimore. I've been to Baltimore and DC many times. Never been to this airport. I'm a nerd. I love seeing airports. I don't like layovers though. Not like that. These Nike Zooms have been amazing on this trip. And the Swiss situation has been great. I need to get new luggage that's like has a bit more color because Jeff can use his carry-on bag. He has his gym bag. So this was perfect. I miss my bed. I did not come to play with y'all. They got a whole mat counter. They playing Tyrese, Sweet Lady. Honey, they're ready. It's like a ball up in here. We made it home. Hello, North Carolina, we missed you.